You're a small business owner, or maybe you're handling expenses for a larger corporation. You've got a team, they're out there, racking up receipts, and you're using Expensify to keep it all organized. But then, a nagging question hits you: just how much can they spend before things get messy? You know Expensify is great for streamlining expense reports, but what are the actual boundaries? What's the reimbursement limit? It's a question that can cause a lot of headaches, right? You don't want to stifle your team's ability to do their job, but you also don't want to open the floodgates to uncontrolled spending. And that's where we dive into the heart of today's topic, the reimbursement limits within Expensify. Now, here's the kicker: Expensify itself doesn't impose a fixed, universal reimbursement limit. It's not like there's a magic number set by Expensify HQ. Instead, the reimbursement limits are entirely customizable and controlled by you, the administrator. Think of Expensify as the powerful tool, and you're the one wielding it, setting the rules of the game. So, how does this work? Expensify allows you to set up policies and rules for different categories of expenses and for different groups of employees. You can define specific limits for things like meals, travel, lodging, and other business-related expenses. You can even set different limits based on employee roles or departments. For example, you might decide that sales reps can spend up to $100 per meal with clients, while engineers have a $50 limit. Or, you could set a monthly travel allowance for senior executives that's higher than the allowance for junior staff. This level of granularity is what makes Expensify so powerful. It gives you the flexibility to tailor your expense management to your specific needs and your company's unique culture. You can create a system that's both fair and efficient, preventing overspending while still allowing your team to do their jobs effectively. Furthermore, Expensify's reporting and approval workflows help you enforce these limits. You can set up automatic alerts for expenses that exceed the established limits, and you can require approvals for any expense that falls outside of the policy. This ensures that you have complete visibility and control over your company's spending. It's important to remember that setting up these limits requires careful planning and consideration. You need to think about your company's budget, your industry standards, and the specific needs of your employees. Regular reviews of your expense policies are also crucial to ensure they remain relevant and effective. In essence, the reimbursement limit in Expensify is what you decide it to be. You're in the driver's seat. You're the one who defines the boundaries. Expensify just provides the tools to enforce them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.